Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom house for sale. It sits on 0.40 acres and is located in the picturesque Flamingo Beach area in Trelawny, Jamaica. It offers an unparalleled opportunity to own a slice of paradise along the beautiful north coast of the island. With the shimmering Caribbean Sea right outside your front door, this property provides breathtaking ocean views and the soothing sounds of waves crashing just steps away. The house is already well underway. Most of the heavy lifting has been completed, leaving only the finishing touches for the new owner to make it their own. Despite its tranquil setting, the property offers convenient access to all the amenities you need just a few minutes away. Whether you prefer dining out, shopping, or exploring, don't miss this opportunity. Call today for more details or to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 400,000 or Jamaican $62.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.